Welcome to another video tutorial by MilesWeb. Click on the subscribe button to get notified for our latest videos. How to password protect one file from cPanel. Log in to cPanel, go to Files and click on File Manager. In your root directory, create a file with the name .htpasswd. This won't be accessible to visitors. Create an encrypted password with the help of either using the command line program htpasswd or an htpasswd generator. There are various htpasswd password generator tools available in the online market, from which you can choose anyone according to your choice. The number of individual files you wish to protect won't matter. All those can share a common .htpasswd file. Here, we will create an encrypted password with an htpasswd generator. When you go to the htpasswd generator, you will be asked to enter the username and password. Then, click on Create .htpasswd file. You will get the encrypted password for the username like this. Copy this username and paste it in the notepad file for the further reference. Then, go back to the root directory and right-click on the .htpasswd file and select the Edit option. The Edit confirmation pop-up appears. Click on Edit. Paste the encrypted password information into the .htpasswd file which you have copied in the previous step. Click on Save Changes and Close button to close the window. Go to the directory where the file that you want to password protect is present. Here, we are protecting the test.php file which is present in the test folder of public_html. For this, you will need to paste the code in .htaccess file of the folder where the test.php file exists. If the .htaccess file is not present in the directory, then create new .htaccess file. Right-click on the .htaccess file and click on Edit. Again click on Edit for confirmation to edit and then paste this code. Note that replace test.php with your actual file name and replace iDigitalCam with your actual cPanel username. Then click on Save Changes and again click on Close. With this, the specified file will be protected with password and other files in the folder will remain unprotected. To check if the file is password protected, we will browse this link. Here, replace idigitalcam.com with your actual domain name and test.php with your file that you have password protected during the process. Enter the username and password. Note that you use the original password used in the htpasswd generator and not the encrypted password. And click on OK. You will see the content in that file. In this way, you can password protect one file from cPanel. Hopefully this video was helpful for you. If yes, then hit the like button. For any technical questions, you can contact us on this email ID. Do follow us on other social media platforms.